Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. In this video you can see my updated vegetables that are growing in the garden. Tomatoes, cucumbers, pumpkins, peppers, parsley, beans, and I just planted a new strawberry that I've been growing in the house. I was kind of hesitant to plant it because last year it died due to the cold. It was very chilly outside, so this year it's pretty warm. And here are some vegetables, veggies, onions, and so on. Enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Here I'm watering with rice water, which I wash the rice. It's protein and helps the veggies grow. Don't forget to hit that bell button so every time you will be notified. Thank you. Bye.